Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be fixing the course error from our backend, which is Laravel API project. Before going into the fix, let's quickly understand what CORS is. CORS stands for Cross-Origin Resource Sharing, and it is a browser security mechanism that blocks requests when your front end and back end are on different origins. So in this case, let's see that our front end is on the port 3000, whereas the backend is on port 5000. So let's jump right into the backend. From inside of your Laravel application, you go to the root folder and open the file config.php or course.php. This file is responsible for handling course in Laravel. So if you don't see this file, this means you're using an older version, and in case you can publish it using the command prompt. Anyways, if you're using the latest version, this is what you have to do. Here's what this does. This path actually it tells the Laravel which route you should allow, and in this case, since our front end is hosted on localhost port 3000, we will be adding this here. Again, it depends on your part what front end port is used. In your case, you just need to put in your detail here, and allow headers will make sure that this is allowed. So again, coming back to the point that this is not a production ready solution, and because in the production you need to have the config and the cache cleared and served. So once you do that, that is it. Just remember that corpse is always a backend responsibility. If you fix it properly in Laravel, every front-end framework will work without any issues. So this is it. If you like the video, press the like button, share it with your friends, and I will be seeing you in the next one.